you're watching SavvyShweta. In today's video, you will not learn sentences, but you will learn how to create your own sentences. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Before we move ahead, let's have a quick recap of what we learned in the last video. We learned to use noun, verb and adjective to form these sentences and questions. We will learn to create these type of sentences in today's video. We will need to understand nouns, pronouns, linking verb and adjective to form these type of sentences. We have already understood nouns, verb, adjectives in the previous video. So let us understand briefly what are pronouns. Pronouns are those words that are used in place of nouns. Pronouns such as I, he, she, you, it, they, we. For a male, we use he. For a female, we use she. You can be used for any gender. And they is used for more than one person or a group of people. Can be of any gender. It is used for animals, places or things. All these are known as personal pronouns. Next, we need to understand demonstrative pronoun. They also represent a noun and tell us whether it is singular or plural, whether it is far or near. For example, this, that, these, those.
Both this and that are used for single person, place, animal or thing. This is used if the object is near to us, and that is used if the object is at some distance. For example, when the apple is near, we say this is an apple. When it is far, we say that is an apple. These and those are used if there is more than one object, person, animal or thing. These is used when objects are near, and those is used when objects are far. For example, when the apples are near, we say these are apples. When they are far, we say those are apples.
Now let us replace the nouns with personal pronouns in these sentences.
Let us understand how to replace noun with a pronoun. As we replace noun with pronoun, the sentences will change like this. He is smart. They are smart. It is happy. They are happy. It is strong. They are strong. It is beautiful. They are beautiful. You have learned these sentences now.
Now let's form questions out of these sentences. If you've seen my last video, you know that it's very simple. Simply pick the linking verb and place it in the very beginning of the sentence.
A question is formed if the linking verb is put in the beginning. So we will put is or are in the beginning of the sentence, and it will become a question. Is it strong? Are they strong? Is it beautiful? Are they beautiful? You have learned to form these questions now.
Now let's use demonstrative pronoun and noun together to form a sentence.
Now, sentences formed with the help of pronoun will be like this. This is a tree. That is a tree. This is a dog. That is a dog. These are trees. Those are trees. These are dogs. Those are dogs. Questions formed from these sentences will be like this. Is this a tree? Is that a tree? Is this a dog? Is that a dog? Are these trees? Are those trees? Are these dogs? Are those dogs? You have learned to form these sentences and these questions from the sentences.
Now let us use noun, pronoun and adjective to form a sentence.
We have these sentences formed with the use of pronoun, noun, linking verb and adjective. This boy is smart. That boy is smart. This dog is happy. That dog is happy.
Now let's form questions out of these sentences.
Same sentences will turn into questions if we move linking verb to the beginning of the sentence. Is this boy smart? Is that boy smart? Is this dog happy? Is that dog happy?
It's time for us to practice what we have learned today. Now here is a list of noun, pronoun, linking verb and adjective. You have to use them and form sentences on your own.
If your answers are any different from these sentences, then please write in the comment section.
Now, if you have not understood anything, just watch this video again. And in case of any questions, you can leave them in the comment section and I will be glad to answer. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Till then, have a great day and see ya.